Linking your bank to Groundwire can streamline your financial transactions and enhance your overall experience. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Groundwire account. Visit the Groundwire website or download the app. Follow the prompts to create a new account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Step 2. Navigate to bank linking section. Once logged in, find the settings or account management section. Look for an option labeled Link Bank Account or Payment Methods to start the linking process. Step 3. Enter bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your bank account. Groundwire may require you to verify your bank account. This can involve confirming small deposits made by Groundwire into your account. Check your bank statements for these amounts and enter them as instructed. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After verification, confirm the linking process. You should receive a notification that your bank account is successfully linked. Review your account settings to ensure everything is correct. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Groundwire. Enjoy the benefits of seamless transactions and enhanced financial management.